Zero is the smallest digit number. 9 is the greatest single digit number. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. 999 is the greatest three-digit number. 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. 9999 is the greatest four-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest five-digit number. 99,999 is the greatest five-digit number. 1 lakh is the smallest six-digit number. 9,99,999 is the greatest six-digit number.